This is the kind of belt sander you'll often see in a machine shop. It's very useful for dealing with aluminum. You can't grind aluminum, but you sometimes get pieces that have some little problems with it. So very simply, in this case, there's a table. Sometimes you'll see one. I've got one here. I'm not going to show you. It doesn't have a table, so you have to freehand it. Freehanding on these sanders is a little bit, these are a little bit more forgiving than a grinder. So you can get away with doing a little freehand sanding. Let me show you this very quickly. That's sanding, and this is when you're in this shop and you need to knock off an edge of a piece of aluminum, sand it, don't grind it.